Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today I'm gonna take you through what we like to call our Christmas baskets. We make 8 baskets a year, and if you're lucky, you get one of them. So let's go through how I put these together and what's in them so you can get ideas to take food off your shelf that you've prepared all year and gift it. And you'll be surprised on some of the stuff that we gift and some of the things, feedback that we get. They're like, please put that back in my box next year. And I'm like, as long as you bring me my jars back. Anyway, let me show you how I put this together. It's really, really simple. Stick around. Here we go. All right, so first I'm gonna show you one of the baskets finished. So let me spin you around. So this is what a basket looks like when it's finished. And I got, real quick, I got this box whenever Joann's was going out of business. So throughout the year, I kind of collect things. So this, I got 8 of these, and then I can't remember where I was at, but these were like 50 cents for 4 of them. So I got 8 bags. And then when Hobby Lobby does their 50% off Christmas stuff, I go get some of the little, you know, like the stuff that you stick in your tree. I do that, see? And then whenever Bath and Body Works does their sales, I go pick up 8 of like the body scrubs. They get body scrub this year, and they get a body spray. And then IKEA had these for $1 a piece. And I was like, yes, please. And this bag, I don't know if you remember seeing it, but this bag is huge. So I picked up 8 of those. Now, here's the cool part. Here's some of the stuff that you wouldn't think is in here. We made too much corn. We're putting corn in. We did our strawberry salsa, chilies. We canned a ton of chilies. Some peach syrup from last year that we didn't use. Strawberry jam, again, everybody liked it. So we had plenty left over from last year. Sweet relish from last year. And then we made too much blackberry jam, so we're gifting that as well. And you can see, it's what we do. Now I know some of you might be like, you're gifting your corn? I will tell you that items that you would think that people wouldn't want, you know, you think they'll go, oh, we want jams and jellies and this and that. Corn, green beans, the peach syrup, the chilies, like there's jalapeno pepper jelly in here. That's like for a specific person. And there are certain items that maybe they haven't even used the jellies that you gave them last year. So we intermix salsas, butters, corn and green beans, because people are just like, that's probably what gets used first. I'm like, this was so good. Can we have more of that in next year's basket? So we do take requests from the 8 people that usually get our baskets. So now let me show you how simple and easy it is to put together one of the baskets. All right, y'all, I've got started on this one. So what I do is I take each item and get the cheap white paper, and I wrap them like this and stick them in here. Now I use a bunch of white, and it really nicely fills up the dead space in the basket. And now when I say basket, it doesn't have to be like a wicker basket. You can see I'm using like these plastic office totes that whoever gets this can use it as an office tote and put it on their shelf. And so the little ones I usually just wrap up because it's just easier. And I shove those in there. Then the next thing I do is I come in with my little cutesy things and pull the tags off of them. I haven't even pulled the tags off. Pull the tags off of them. Then I just kind of zhuzh them around, spread them out. And then last but not least, y'all, and if you wait for these to go on sale, like this was regular price, probably $1.99. Okay, this one was $2.99, so this makes this $1.50. I can splurge on $1.50. And then what's cool too is these, whoever gets this basket can use those on their tree. So then I go and I take the pretty stuff and we put 4 or 5 around. to make it pretty and fill in the gaps. So it's got a little color. And that's it. There's a Christmas basket. Just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, now we gotta do 6 more. Hey, do me a favor, comment below. Do you guys give any of your products away? Questions. What do you give? Put that in the comments below. And tell me, do people bring your jars back? Some of my people do, but let me know in the comments if that's a normal thing, okay? All right, y'all, there they are. Aren't they pretty? I think they're pretty. So this is what we give like couples in our family for Christmas. And we haven't had anybody look cross-eyed or anything. And once they realize what's in it, they're like, oh my gosh, it's all your homemade stuff. And we're like, yes. And we always put a little note in there that goes, please be kind and bring back my jar. And so hopefully this Thanksgiving, when everybody comes over, we're gonna get a bunch of jars back. So for all of you that are coming over for Thanksgiving, bring us our jars back, please, so we can refill them and give them back to you next year. So I'll put a list of the stuff that I put in the baskets in the description below and pin it in a comment so you guys kind of have an idea of what we're putting in each basket. I did not spend a lot of money on the components that aren't jars full of food, so it doesn't have to be expensive. It can be beautiful and easy. Because look at them, aren't they pretty? All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I love giving our products away because it just fills my heart with joy. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye y'all.